Yeah, so I think I'm audible now. Yeah, I'm audible. Seems like okay. Now let's start with what we need today. So let's go to first. Let's prepare like whatever we need today. Hmm. So yeah, we are done with all this. We have all of this, right? So now I'm mainly like going to build the backend part of it. So that's that. Just a second. Hmm. Okay. Let's see. And yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's start by going into this. So what are we going to do today first? So first things first. Firstly, we are going to mainly do backend, right? So what I'm thinking is for security purposes, I'll use like JWT, some JWT part. Secondary, okay, let's start from the very beginning. What do I need? Firstly, we need like a database, right? I'm going to use Postgres. That's one. And I'm going to use this via Docker. Okay. So that's that. And so we need Docker first. And then what we need? So let's start downloading Docker right now. Let's download Docker. Download Docker desktop. I need 6 AMD. I don't know. What is this? ARM64. I don't know. I put on like AMD 64. I don't know what this is, but yeah, okay. Anyways, so that's that. So Docker download is in the way, and now what do we need? Now we need an environment. We need an repository. Repo, GitHub. We need to create one GitHub repo. This will have two parts, front end and back end. So uh, hello, let's go. What is Docker? তুই এখানে কেন? তুই তো মাইনক্রাফট খেলছিলি। মাইনক্রাফটে ডকার কি? ডকার হচ্ছে কি বলবো? ডকার হচ্ছে একটা কন্টেনার স্পনিং একটা সফটওয়্যার টাইপের। Gives you a container inside your machine, something like a virtual space or like what is it called? A virtual machine. ওরকম টাইপের, বাট ওটা তোর কম্পিউটারের ওন রিসোর্সের ওপরে পার্ট করে ইউজ করে। So that's done. I think Docker, yeah, Docker is downloading. Repo is okay. Now what do we need? We need like an for our backend now. Let's come to our backend. Like what do we need for our backend? So first thing we need a framework. AW, what do we need for framework? I'm going to use Gin. So we have to use Gin. And now we have to connect to our database. So database connection, database middleware. Database middleware, I'm going to use, what do we have actually for Gin? Like Go, I don't know actually. Can you hack using Docker? Yeah, you can actually hack Docker using your computer. That's doable. You can make a vulnerable spawning site and then you can hack that. That's doable. Database middleware. So what do we have as a database middleware in Go? Actually, I don't know. So ORM for Go. GoRM. Okay. Okay, we'll use whatever this is. We'll use this. Can I put this? Oh yeah, I can do. Okay. So let's do use Grom, go rm. Okay, and next what we are using, we have our framework, we have a way to connect to our database, and now what do we need? We need uh oh, okay, we have to save the password in the DB, right? So we need some kind of way. So I'm thinking of bcrypt, because I have used bcrypt in past, but it's for JavaScript. I don't know if there is any bcrypt. Bcrypt, Golang. Are there any bcrypt? Oh yeah, nice. There is a bcrypt. Okay, nice job. Bcrypt we have. So yeah, we have bcrypt to save password. Save password pw. Bcrypt we are going to use. Now what do we need? I don't know. Like, maybe we need something that will like validate like all the files that are changed and like redeploy the server. Something like uh, file daemon for Golang. Are there any? Uh, uh, yeah, there is one. What is this? Go daemon. How updated is this? 3 months ago. Okay. I'm uh, quite so what do we have? Let's check first once. What do we have in here? Are there any kind of respawn mechanism? Oh, they are making their own. No, no, no. I'm not looking for like own mechanism. Okay, this seems promising. Okay, compile daemon. Okay. Yeah, we're going to use compile daemon. So, uh, file watcher. I'll use compile daemon. So that's that. And what do we need more? More than this, Gin framework ready, bcrypt ready, password authentication. We need JWT, right? So some kind of JWT authentication system. So for JWT, what do we use? Go JWT. Are there some kind of Go JWT? Yeah, I think this is it. JWT. It's for Go, okay. So how do I download this? Golang JWT v5. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it, got it. So we are going to use, what is this called? Golang JWT. Yeah. So Golang JWT. Golang JWT. Correct. Now I think this is done. So let's go one by one. First things first, let's install our Docker. So yeah, where is my Docker? Let's install Docker. Hmm. Docker. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I use SL2 is recommended instead of hyper. Oh, I need WSL2. Okay. I forgot actually. WSL. Uh, what is the GitHub repo? Microsoft WSL. Yeah, this is it. WSL master branch 2 weeks ago. I need release. Microsoft WSL 2.MSI. This is it, I think. ARM64. Yeah. No, not ARM64. Sorry, X64. Yeah, I need this one. So let's download our WSL, and what do we need more? We have to create one repository, correct? So now the toughest question, what to name our project? Hmm. Hmm. Let's name like boring name. Uh, uh, Finance assistant. Is this okay? Yeah, seems like okay. Open source. Okay, let's down install WSL2. Let's go. I think I have to install like Ubuntu also if I want to run WSL. Yeah, like uh, Windows have this all these weird things with it, but yeah, it still works like pretty good, I would say. Not very efficient, but yeah, works good. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, I actually don't know if this installed or not, but yeah, anyway. Let's check actually. PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, uh, WSL. You guys have, yeah. So it installed. Okay, so I have to install like in kind of, so Ubuntu maybe okay. Ubuntu LTS, let's go for that 22 LTS. Install. Let's see. Okay. When this is installing, let's complete our like this one. Open source, not open source. A website to track and help you plan your finance. Okay, this will be public. Readme file I need. Gitignore template, do I need this? Actually, I don't need right now. I'll create my own. And let's make an MIT license on this. Okay. Main branch, main assistant finance. Yeah, create repository. So if anybody wants to contribute, they can. Just so that you know. So, and what's about my Linux? Oh yeah, it's downloading. In the meantime, let's create our everything. So projects, let's open not GUI. Oh shit, I never used this. Git bash here. So git clone. Okay, Ubuntu is installed. Git clone. Let's go for an paste. This work, yeah, this worked. So now cd finance assistant, and let's open up our code editor in here. So we'll fork off another branch from here, but yeah, mainly like this main branch will be for deployment only. Nothing else will happen in this branch. We'll do that, but yeah, okay. Seems good. Now what do I need? I have this opened, so this is okay, done. Now PowerShell, WSL. Okay, still it's giving Ubuntu. Oh, I mistyped it. Okay. Ubuntu. No, not happening. Okay. What do I have? Do I have terminal? No, I don't. Okay. My bad. So WSL. What does it need? WSL minus version. Does it work? Yeah, it work. Okay. Ubuntu. It doesn't work. Okay. So let's check from here itself. I need basically the Ubuntu to work. Ubuntu. Yeah, this is pretty like a lot of work, but yeah, maybe this will do. I just need my Docker running. That's all. When this is happening, let's go do some changes in here. I need a Docker to establish my database. So in the meantime, let's create some uh, base files and folders. Front end, and another one will be, no, not inside this, outside of this, backend. Yeah, seems okay. And readme is okay. I think this is okay. License is okay. Don't need anything more than this. Backend, front end, okay. And I'll have a Docker compose file inside this. So I'll create that later, but yeah, this will be mainly most of the thing. And now what do I need? Yeah, let's do a check. Let's create our branch actually. Git status, uh, git add dot. Do I have anything? I don't have anything. Okay, I just created two folder, but I don't have any. Okay, anyways, let's do one thing. Let's change. Git checkout minus b. Let's make an branch for development. Okay. So now I'm thinking git branch. What do I have? I have a development branch. I have a main branch, right? And I need a staging branch maybe for testing. No, I actually don't need. I can test from development. I can branch off from here. So yeah, development is also my testing branch. So stage branch should be fine. So now we are in development branch. Let's create cd backend. I'm at backend. So go mod init. Oh, okay. Go cannot determine module path and so. Oh, okay. Go mod init. What did I name it actually? Kingpin finance assistance. Okay. Kingpin ay finance assistant. Yeah, now create. Yeah, I have this. Actually, do I create it like this? Can I create it like this? I don't want like an so can I pass only backend here? Yeah, I can. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay. So yeah, that works. Now what do I need is I need couple of things in here. So we'll install that, but before that, okay. So this is still installing. Meanwhile, let's go install other things for our backend. So yeah, let's go to our chart. What do we need? So GitHub repo is created. Let's push our first commit. Git status cd dot clear git status git add dot git commit minus m. Mm, fix not fix initial commit. Now we have an structure for this. Now what do we need? We have to push, right? Git pull, not pull, git push minus u origin development. So this will be my branch and I'm pushing onto it. Should be fine. So if I see check my branch now, yeah, it has like an push in here. Okay. So what do I need more than this? So I have to create some kind of security on this, right? So first commit is okay, but yeah, I have some mechanism to like uh, protecting my this branch, main branch. Cancel. Just a second. Add rule. Okay. So let's add rule. Require code scanning result. Signed commits, linear history, restrict updates, restrict creation, pull request before merging. No. I don't have any. No, actually, right now I don't need. Anyways, so let's go. Leave. Initial commit. Let's merge. Yep, it's fine. Now I have an backend structure. And what is the status? Okay, server execution failed. WSL registration distribution failed with error this. Now that's bad actually. Now if this takes like a lot of time, I'm going to take another route other than like Docker. WSL, let's see. wsl wsl.exe install no distribution. If I do this, what will happen? Deployment image serving the management tool. Okay, something is going on, I don't know, but yeah, I think this should be the fix. Let's see what happens. So my whole Ubuntu installation was completely garbage. System is rebooted. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so if I do a Docker install, what will happen? Add shortcut to desktop. I don't need shortcut. Let's start. Actually, yeah. While this is working, let's set up our all this gen context and everything. So yeah, now to the next part. Docker is done. GitHub is done. Backend front end is done. So I need a framework. So I'm going for Gen. Where is Gen? Gen web framework. Learn more, not learn more. Documentation. Quick start. Go get Gen. So this is it. CD backend, and let's put everything in here. Gin, it will download. And what do we need after that? We need GORM. GORM. What is this name? GORM. Okay. Whatever. I need this. So I first need the GORM itself. So okay, this is downloading still yet. Okay. Go download. Anyways. How's my Docker going on? Docker looks fine. If I open a PowerShell again, will the WSL work? Or Ubuntu? Yeah, none of this is working anyways. So I don't know if the Docker will do. But yeah, anyway, let's see. And this is not downloading anything. I don't know. Let's leave it at that. But let's see if this does anything or not. So we need CORM. Yeah, it's done. So now let's paste GORM. And we need also like a server, right? Driver. I am hoping we can change this SQLite to anything, right? So Postgres, if I do, it will take Postgres, right? Let's see. Oh yeah, there is Postgres. Okay. Now we are done. GORM is okay, I think. Let's keep it open. And let's close all the shitty stuffs. Don't need this. Go by example will go first. GORM will be GORM will be here. Gene framework after this. And then what do we need? We need bcrypt, right? Bcrypt Golang. Crypto. So we need this one. Let's download this. So yeah, I think it is like this. We can pass like an bcrypt now. So yeah, bcrypt bcrypt seems okay. Go. Yeah, bcrypt is installed, so that's one. Bcrypt is done. Bcrypt is done. GORM is done. Gin is done. Compile daemon, right? We need compile daemon, so let's go for compile daemon. Compile daemon. How do we install? Where's the install command? Okay, yeah, this is it. Compile daemon. And I'm also like thinking I actually might need like to install this because I think this is like a daemon package. So at least for JavaScript to do this, I don't know about Go. Let's see if this does anything. Yeah, it did. Okay, okay. So yeah, we need to install that. Okay, so we are pretty much good here. So compile daemon command and then my options. Okay, so I can e like extend this like this command and program. Okay, got it. And then now what? Now what do I need? Bcrypt is done. Oh, I need JWT. JWT. Golang. Yeah, okay. So this is it. I need to install JWT from here. V5. Okay, what does this V5 do actually? Let's go. Okay, JWT is installed also. And then Bcrypt is done also. So do I have any kind of okay, okay, errors new bcrypt, errors new bcrypt function cache. Yeah, we'll see what we have to do. Yeah, now we have mostly everything downloaded. So let's do an commit cd dot get add dot get commit minus m fet added the initial. Okay, actually no, I need the editor. Yeah, so let's edit. Added the initial packages needed for the back end. Okay, after this will cut off. All go initial packages added for work. Yeah, and get pull origin develop get push. Okay, I do get a oh development. This is not it. So yeah, I think I can do a normal git pull also. This should work. Yeah, it's working. Okay, anyways, so we are mainly done with the packages and everything. Now we can get started actually. Close and log out. You must log out of Windows to complete the installation. Okay.